good morning. So here I stand, yet another vacation day. 7 o'clock, I'm waiting for a pickup. And yeah, today is going to be hiking and waterfalls and peaks and yeah. So, nice to have you with me. Good morning. They have Buddhists here, so the monks are going around and collecting offerings in the morning. There was a guy there yesterday. Oh, he's in the car maybe, so he's going to get some offerings. That's how they get their food. Okay, so I'm on a tour and going some up in the mountains. Doa Pantanon National Park, something like that. So they have two pagodas, one there and one there. And this is the Queen's, I think. And I'm gonna go up and take some pictures. And they are built for the 9th king. Right now it's the 10th king, but this is a, sort of like a celebration of what you like, yeah, for him to celebrate his life. That one is the king's and this one's is the queen's. And I'm going up to the queen first because they said that you could take pictures with both of the pagodas from here. Very nice. You can walk around it, but where can you take a picture and see both pagodas in one picture? There's a lovely garden here on the back side. On the back side, look, they carved an elephant out of that. Look at this, and there's I wonder. Oh yeah, probably could get a picture with both of them. So I'm looking for a good picture with both pagodas, and I'm in like a little garden here. And look at this little pond. And this very, very nice. Oh yeah, here we have pictures. Here we can have it. Yes. Is this dahlias? Dahlia in Swedish? I don't know the English word for it. Up and visit the king. so that was is a beautiful viewpoint, and here we have the king and queen, but they're not alive. Oh, it's very, very cloudy. It's a little chilly, but it's good I had my sort of raincoat with me. It'll be all right. And yes, that was it was nice. Now it's time for trekking, I think. Yeah, we're going jungle trekking. Yeah, my group is over there. So we are stopped here, and now it's time to go to the highest peak of Thailand, 2,565 meters. It's this way. So I think I'm at the peak, guys. This is also a thing for the king, but it's also the peak. 2,565 meters. So you can make offerings here, and this is for king number 7 from the Lana kingdom. And people still go and celebrate him.